to filter and sort MTSS student data. These skills will help you quickly find patterns that may indicate the need for Tier 2 interventions. So now I'm going to share my screen. First, open your Excel file that I sent to you via email. You will see the data table with student names, reading scores, math scores, and attendance. You'll also see discipline referrals. First, you're going to highlight the entire data table. Now you're going to go to Data, which I already have up at the top. You click on Data, and you're going to click Filter. Then you're going to highlight, or you're going to hover your arrow above the reading score column, and you're going to click the drop-down box. We are going to click on Number Filters, and we're going to go to less than or equal to. Click on that. In the box here, you will type the number 30. The reason for that is we look at students that have scored below the 30th percentile national norm to determine if we need to do a secondary screener for intervention determination. Click OK. And now you will have a list of students that scored below 30th percentile on their reading score. Now, we take into account attendance, discipline referrals after we have done the interventions to see where the problem is stemming from. But before, we do just look at these scores. Now we want to sort this from smallest to largest. So again, we're going to highlight the entire data table. You can either go to Sort, and you can click Sort by Reading Score. If I click on that, it's going to give me the option to choose smallest to largest. I could either do largest to smallest, or I could do custom. I want it to be smallest to largest. Okay, so now you see that it has placed the students in order of their reading score from least to greatest. At this point, I want to sort them by grade level so I can have the appropriate interventionist working on which grade level they are supposed to be working with to help determine their interventions. So I'm going to click now Sort. And this time, instead of sort by reading score, I'm going to sort by grade. And I do want smallest to largest again. And I'm going to add a level because after it sorts by grade, I would like for it to sort again by reading score to make sure that I have smallest to largest. So now you can see that I have my 5 third graders here with their scores largest to smallest, and then my 4th graders, and then my 5th graders. We'll be using this information in a later session to look at reading interventions for these particular students. We now want to make sure that we save it. So we're going to save a copy. I have it listed as MTSS PD data for practice. Scroll down, click this PC, and hit save. Practicing these steps will help you feel confident analyzing student performance trends in preparation for our next session. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.